Hey you guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and we are checking out another stop on our Costa Rica trip that our friends booked. Some really fun Airbnb type places, and this one is so fun. You're gonna love it. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live. Typically we share home decor and deals and that sort of thing, but right now we're on vacation, so we wanted to show you kind of some different places to stay and visit if you're in Costa Rica. We're kind of in a secluded place. This is sort of a boutique type Airbnb place with these individual really cute cabins that are simple but really beautiful. I love this detail. Again, this is like local stone, so kind of has that lava rock feel to it. And then they've used a lot of beautiful wood detailing, even underneath the roof eaves here. You can see this gorgeous wood. I think this is acacia wood. So pretty. And it's just kind of a organic type feel with this curve. And you'll see what the inside is of that in just a second. They've got concrete floors in here, which I love. It's very practical, obviously, for the jungle life, but also very pretty and modern too. And beautiful door. All the doors that we've seen here in Costa Rica are solid wood and just handcrafted. Beautiful, beautiful detail. A lot of the craftsmanship you don't get to see in the States. So it's fun to see that here, and that really artisan feel that I was talking about in the last video too. So stepping in here, this bathroom is super cool. It's got all the modern amenities with the vanity, and it's got live edge detail on the countertop. This is just a gorgeous slab of wood. And then we've got the high ceilings and some windows above, which is nice. So you get a little bit of natural light in here. The ceilings in here, again, are that beautiful wood and just has such a, like, that unique feeling that I adore. There's a toilet, and then this is actually like a sliding pocket door, again with that awesome wood. Had to show you. I'm just so impressed with their quality and attention to detail. So here's where the back of that curved wall is. It's actually a shower, and look how amazing. You can be showering right here, and your view is the jungle, the trees, and it's very secluded and private. Such a cool spot, I think. This is, again with the pocket door, same setup, so good use of space with those, and just heavy and solid, beautiful. Another really cool view just out into the greenery here. And the furniture you'll see is also made of the similar wood, the bed, the nightstands and all that, so really simple. And then there's kind of like almost like a mudroom type area here with a little closet rod. And so that's very functional and nice. And then look up here at these windows. I love the way that they worked those in. So you get some light up above, and then it has still all of that wood detailing with the beams and the rafters. The ceiling, just so pretty. Tall ceilings in here too, probably like, what would you say, 12 feet maybe, Ben? Sometimes a good estimator, sometimes not, but he's agreeing on the 12 feet. Over here, this is gonna be one of the places where kids will sleep, and they get to have this awesome view of all these trees. It goes all around that little daybed area. So that is pretty cool too. And there's a little kitchenette. This again has that live edge slab counter with the wood and the beautiful like cabinet wood as well. There's even a little fridge in here, so kind of everything you might need. And this window section is so cool too, and it goes out to the most amazing deck. I think this is gonna be like where everybody wants to hang out. It's got this wide door to kind of have that indoor-outdoor living. Even though this isn't huge, it feels really spacious because you've got this whole deck here. It's a private deck all to yourself. And actually this right here opens up too. So this other bedroom can walk out right onto the deck as well. So it's pretty cool. And I've seen these a few times. They are like locally made leather rocking chairs, and they have all this like kind of carving type detail. Some of the local scenery, there's a toucan, so fun. And then all of this just beautiful jungle, rainforest scenery to take in here. So thank you for watching, and we're enjoying our vacation. I hope you enjoy our sharing of our places we're staying with you. If you guys have been to Costa Rica, you can also leave favorite places that you have stayed in comments, or ask us any questions there as well. Subscribe and hit the bell, please, to be notified of when our next video is live.